और इसी बीच रुक कर लेते हैं बड़ी खबर की ओर। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बताते हैं, दिल्ली में जीएसटी काउंसिल की बैठक खत्म हो गई। जीएसटी पर मोदी सरकार का ये बड़ा फैसला। अब जीएसटी के सिर्फ 2 ही स्लैब होंगे। सूत्रों के हवाले से आपको इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर बता रहे हैं। जीएसटी में 12% और 28% का स्लैब खत्म कर दिया गया है। सूत्र के हवाले से ये जानकारी मिल रही है। जीएसटी में अब सिर्फ 5% और 18% स्लैब ही होंगे। आपको दिखाते हैं क्या कुछ कहा गया है।
Now I request the Honorable Minister to brief the media about the decision taken today at the GST Council meeting. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, and I thank the media for having come in so late. We concluded the meeting, and from there we have come here. And let me start by saying the Honorable Prime Minister actually set the tone for the next generation reforms on the 15th of August when he spoke from the Red Fort. So, and he desired that we give the benefit to the people at the earliest. He mentioned Deepavali, but I'll go through the decisions in detail a bit, but this reform is not just on rationalizing rates. It's also on structural reforms. It's also on ease of living, so that businesses can do their business of working together with the GST with a great ease. So we have corrected inverted duty structure problems. We've resolved classification related issues, and we've ensured that there will be stability and predictability about the GST. Rate rationalization, of course, we've reduced the slabs. There shall be only 2 slabs, and we are addressing also the issues of compensation cess. Ease of living, simplifying registration, return filing, and refunds. I'm not getting into greater details, you'll get to know about it. But then these reforms have been carried out with a focus on the common man. Every tax levied on common man's daily use items have gone through a rigorous looking into, and in most cases the rates have come down drastically. Labor intensive industries have been given a good support. Farmers and agriculture as a whole will also benefit by the decisions we have taken today. Health related also will benefit. So the key drivers of economy have been given a prominence. And much before I get into the details, I want to thank every member of the GST Council, every finance minister who attended the GST Council today. There was no absence. Everyone was present. We've had a day-long intense discussion, but I'm grateful to each one of them. At the end of the day, they said, we're all together for the sake of the common man. एक भी रिजर्वेशन के साथ नहीं समर्थन किए, मगर पूर्ण मन से भरपूर सपोर्ट दिए हर राज्य के वित्त मंत्री। इसीलिए मैं जीएसटी काउंसिल को आभार कहना चाह रही हूँ कि लंबा चौड़ा डिस्कशन चला आज, मगर आखिर हर मेंबर इसके लिए समर्थन दिए। इसीलिए मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाह रही हूँ। इधर उधर के छोटे छोटे बात हो सकता है, मगर कंप्लीटली रेट रैशनलाइजेशन में सभी मंत्रीगण समर्थन दिए। एंड मैं इस विषय में आभार पहले व्यक्त करना चाह रही हूँ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को, क्योंकि पहले से ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 8-9 months ही इज बीन आफ्टर मी सेइंग आप कुछ जीएसटी में राहत दिलाओ जनता के लिए। उसका इंटेंसिव वर्क किए। हमारे MOS कॉम्पनसेशन सेस के ऊपर शेयर कर रहे थे ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स। ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड विद ऑल ऑफ देम। सम्राट चौधरी जी वर्कड ऑन द रेट रैशनलाइजेशन, and not only the chair but the members of each of these GOM have worked very hard. I am absolutely appreciative of every one of the ministers. इस समय का मांग को समझ करके समर्थन दिए, इसलिए उन सबको मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाह रही हूँ। There is also of course trade facilitation measures and process reform, वो भी इसमें शामिल है, जिससे enhanced verification measures which are aimed at curbing fraud have led to complex documentation, उसको भी simplify करने का, और data analysis वगैरह है. Process reform के ऊपर मैं विस्तार से आपके question answer के समय में जवाब दूंगी. मगर primarily, I'm sure all your interest is to know where is what, which one comes down in rate. उसमें एक just indicate करते हुए I'll stop my input. If Revenue Secretary has anything more he can add. उसके बाद आपके question answer करते हुए हम बाकी सबको cover करेंगे. Common man and middle class items में there is a complete reduction. Reduction from 18 or from 12 to 5%. I list out those items, all of whom have come to 5% from either 18 or from 12. Common man items such as hair oil, toilet soap, bars, soap bars, shampoos, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bicycles, tableware, kitchenware, and other household articles have all come to 5, whether they were in 18 or whether they were in 12. Similarly, reduction of GST from 5% to nil. 5 से 0 में जाने वाले items indicate कर रहा हूँ. Ultra high temperature milk, the UHT milk, chena or paneer, all the Indian breads will see nil rate. So roti किसी के ऊपर भी, chapati or roti or paratha or whatever it is, they all come to nil. Reduction of GST from 12% or from 18% to 5. इसमें food items बहुत सारे हैं. नमकीन से भुजिया है, sauces है, pasta है, instant noodles है, chocolates, coffee, preserved meat, cornflakes, butter, ghee, ये सब 5% में आ रही है. फिर reduction from 28 to 18%. इसमें मिडिल क्लास के एस्पिरेशंस मीट करने वाले बहुत सारे चीज़ हैं. एयर कंडीशनिंग मशीन्स, TVs which are over 32 inches, all TVs now at 18%. ये I want to underline, all TVs are now at 18%. Dishwashing machines, small cars, motorcycles equal to or less than 350 cc are all now coming to 18. Agriculture goods such as tractors, agricultural, horticultural and forestry machines for soil preparation or cultivation, harvesting or threshing machines, including straw or fodder balers, grass or hay movers, composting machines, etc., are all coming down from 12 to 5%. Reduction of GST from 12 to 5% on 12 specified biopesticides. Also from 12 to 5 is natural menthol. So किसान के लिए उनके products के लिए जो वो उपयोग करते हैं उन सब में it has come down. Again from 12 to 5, handicrafts and also labor intensive sectors. What are they? Handicrafts, marble, travertine blocks, granite blocks, intermediate leather goods. ये सब 5 में आ रही. Reduction of cement from 28 to 18. क्योंकि घर बनाने में middle class के लिए cement इतना आवश्यक है, इसीलिए 28 it has come down to 18. Health related items, 33 life-saving drugs and medicines, and they all come down from 12 to 0. From 5 to 0 and 3 life-saving drugs and medicines used for treatment of cancer, rare diseases, and other severe chronic diseases. There are several drugs and medicines coming down to 5 from 12. I'm not listing each one of them out. Like that, very many other items, diagnostic kits, reagents, blood glucose monitoring system, all of them are coming to 5%. Similarly, spectacles and goggles are for correcting vision. They are also coming down to 5% from 28. I'm sure all of you all are interested in knowing about automotive sector, about which you've been frequently asking us. From 28 to 18% on small cars and motorcycles which are equal to or below 350 cc. Reduction of GST from